Hi,
Okay.
sir. How are you?
How are you? I'm fine. And how are you?
I'm very well, sir. Very well.
Yeah. And
So,
thank you for what being in connection with me. And also, after a long time, we are meeting each other.
yes,
Thank
sir. Thank you very much. It's my pleasure, sir. Pleasure. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. How are you, sir?
So,
And how is the weather today?
sir, whether it was hot in daytime, but I think at night time it will be little bit colder
Cold.
because we are around the winter, and
Okay.
so after a month, I think there will be winter. That's why in daytime we get hot, but
Hmm?
in nighttime we get cold, little bit cold.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, yeah, sir. Yeah, in our side, it's always what cloudy and very few times only we can see the sunshine. Sometime whole day it will be cloudy and it will be what keep on raining. It has been raining since 3 to 4 months, sir. Okay, it's just like what we are living in the what in the foothills of Western Ghats.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. In my locality, 10 days before it had been raining. Okay, but I
Okay.
think after before that after the 10 days, it has
Hmm.
not been rained, and
Hmm.
I think now it will be not rain. Okay, because rainy season has gone and winter is around the corner.
Okay, okay, sir. One more thing I would like to say here. As of my knowledge, I think this year we have received maximum centimeters of rainfall here. Maximum in my as of my knowledge, to take the past 10 years. Okay,
Mhm.
it is the highest rainfall received this year, sir.
Yes, sir. I saw since March, since March it has been raining, and it has been raining cats and dogs, you
Yeah,
know,
yeah.
since March up to now. In my Bihar also,
Hmm.
here in Bihar also.
We are
Yeah,
receiving every day the rainfall cats and dogs here.
yeah, sir.
Yeah, it is raining
So
cats and dogs.
yeah, of
Okay.
course, sir. So I would like to know your English learning journey. I mean, what were the difficulties you faced in the initial days, and how was the way of learning on those days, and
Yeah.
what is the difficulties you are facing today, and what is the way of learning today?
Yeah, sir. Thank you. Thank you so much for raising this question. By raising this question, you just helped me to recall my olden days. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
since my what elementary to this year means my professional career. Actually,
Mhm.
initially when I was in primary and high school, I was very interested about English and I wanted to learn and I wanted to speak like other people. Okay,
Yes, sir.
at least just I would like to. I wanted to speak just like my teachers. So
Mhm.
in those days, teachers were not okay. Teachers were to some extent they used to use English in the classrooms, but most often they used to translate the things. Even today, also the some to some extent it is being done. And
Yes, sir.
when I was in high school, my English master S.B. Patil sir encouraged me to write answers without taking help of any guides. Okay,
Mhm.
only with the help of textbook we used to write answers and then we get corrected them by our teacher and later we'll okay, write them in the fair book. So this was the activity. So this activity took us to the great what developed helped us to develop a great interest about English. And I was very curious because I was very curious and very interested in English. I was good at reading good at
Mhm.
reading English, but I wanted to speak English. That's why I purchased one English Rapidix course book. Okay.
Yes, sir. I have also learned this book. Yeah, go on.
English Rapidix. When I was in high school, I purchased one English Rapidix course book. I used to what write and I used to read and try to imitate the sentences given in that book. But
Mhm.
I didn't get what good company to speak with me, to converse with me, to read with me. But my interest never ends. Even though I didn't get any good partner, but I never lost my interest. It was day by day it was increasing. Day by day I was very curious and I was hungry to learn the language. And after my PUC, I got admission to my degree, and there I also read English as a optional subject for the 3 years. And again I took a professional degree in English, and today I'm a teacher. I know in those days just I was curious, but didn't get good environment, but I was observing the things very cleanly. I was observing each and every piece of information. If there is any piece of information written on anything, I was very interested, and I used to read that information with interest and try to understand its meaning and try to know its spellings. So that interest took me to this level. And even today I'm very I'm very cleanly observing the things. Okay, whatever the thing it is, even it may be a notebook or a textbook or any what material, any stationary material or any goods. Okay, some there are do's and don'ts are given, and some the name boards, signboards of the merchant or a shop. I try to read the signboards, try to read the name boards of the particular shop or merchant, and try to understand the meaning. And sometime the motto of some particular business is also written. So try to understand that mottos.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And also whenever, even my observation is so keen that wherever I go, when I will be in traveling, I observe each and every things whichever come across me. So if I am traveling in the national highway, then I observe the traffic rules, traffic signs. Okay, if I am traveling to the state highway, I also observe the traffic rules and traffic signs. What are the traffic rules followed in the state highways, and what are the traffic rules and traffic sign boards are followed in the national highways. So everything I observe cleanly. So with the help of that observation, whatever the observation I made outside, whenever I was in outside and whenever I'm in travel, I just keep them in memory and try to implement and try to recall the sentences in my conversation with the people like you and others. And even also with my students, I used to take those examples, examples, and try to give them. Once I took the examples, once I recalled those examples, I definitely I never forget them. So this is my practice, and today, and now my what interest and my hungry to learn the language is widened, and I speak to people like you. I exchange my ideas, and I watch English movies without subtitles. I watch English news channels, and I listen to podcasts, British podcast, BBC podcast, CNA podcast, and I also watch any piece of information if it is given in English. And and a few days ago I had a conversation with the native speakers, and next also we'll continue the conversation with the native speakers. So, and observing the native speakers pronunciation, watching videos on YouTube, and try to understand the language. So this is all my area of interest and my observation to improve this language, because I wanted to learn this language with a great interest, because each language has its own unique quality, unique identity. With learning a language, we can also
for they have
learn
their own
so
thoughts.
many
ಯಾಕೆ
things
ಅವರಿಗೆ
with the
ವಿಚಾರಗಳನ್ನ ನಿಮ್ಮ
cultural
ವಿಚಾರಗಳನ್ನ ಹೇಳಬಹುದು
activities,
ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ
their
they have
culture,
their own thoughts.
their
ಅವರು
customs,
ತಮ್ಮದೇ
their
ಆದಂತ ವಿಚಾರಗಳನ್ನ
traditions, everything we
ಹೊಂದಿರದವರಾಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ,
can
ಹೊಂದಿದವರಾಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ
we can learn by knowing the particular language. So that's why and English is also a gateway to the world. It's an international language. It has an international identity. So once we know the language, the whole world will be just like a village in this globalization era. That's why I'm learning and creating. Even if I don't get the English environment around me, I just creating the environment. I just would like to creating the at least English environment among my students, and with them also I am learning something. this is my routine and method to or my strategies to improve the language English, sir.
Thank you very much, sir, for sharing your idea. Yeah, of course, sir. You told few things that is very important. That is observation. I think the observation is the most important way to learn English, because when you observe something, you learn quickly. Just what happens in children? Children just observe everything, and they just by observation they learn, and you can see that how fast they learn anything.
Yes.
So
definitely.
yes, sir. When we start observing everything around us in English, just we see somewhere signboard and written something on it. Somewhere we see the instruction written on the our cloth to how to wash, how to iron it or do not iron it. No. So these things, every single word make our English good and rich.
Yeah, sir. Definitely. Thank you so much for your presenting. And I would like to know, how is your journey in learning this language since your primary or high school to this stage after your professional period? How you are doing things right now to develop this particular language and to get master of this, and how you were doing? How were the things around you at that time?
Yes, thank you, sir. So yeah, well. When I was in high school, I didn't get chance of learning English because you will be laughing and it is ridiculous. Okay, ridiculous. In Bihar,
I don't.
Even in Bihar board, okay, English has no value. Even you get failed in English, you will be passed. Okay, you will be promoted for next class. That's funny. Why I told. Yeah, it's funny. And still, I in 2014 I was in class 10th. Okay, but even today the same here. I don't know why it is happening, and unfortunately it is happening because everybody know the importance of English. So I had to just study math, science, okay, because I had to get good numbers. So I was not caring about English, but I had a burning desire to learn English because I always wanted to speak with from all over the world. I wanted to communicate with people from all over the world. That's why. Yeah. But unfortunately, I didn't get opportunity to learn English up to my high school. But once when I passed my high schooling, I came in city, okay, in Darbhanga city to learn my science subject because I had to learn science subject. But when I came here, all the teachers in this city were teaching in English, okay, and I didn't know English. So I started taking English classes here, and I think my tutor helped me a lot to improve my English. Okay, and later on, somehow I started making, building my communication skill and everything in English. And I think I just learned English in 4 years. Okay, right now I am learning I am continuous journey, but my journey is this. That up to high school I didn't get chance of learning English, but after intermediate I'm regularly learning English. Yeah, it is matter of fact, off and on I sometimes left, sometimes I started, and from this lockdown I have been learning English very intensely.
Yeah, because this was the great opportunity to spend more time at home, because when there is a lockdown is imposed outside of the home, so we are not allowed to roam or to do things outside of the house,
Yes,
so being at home to make good use of our 24-hour time, because we have a lot of time with us, so we can make good use of that time. Because during this lockdown I also use the same also as you use the time for your development of your English, I use the same purpose, and I got a good result out of it, definitely.
Of course, sir.
We must be thankful for this great pandemic sometime.
Yes, somehow everything, I think every dark spot has silver line. Okay, just the same here. Okay, we learned English and we are communicating with whole world at the same time, isn't it? But before we were just frog of the pond. Okay, but right now we are, speaking with lots of people. Yeah.
During this lockdown, I was also connected to the whole world. I talked to the people from different nations, different cultures, different dialects. So it was so fantastic experience for me to share with you. Anyhow, this is a good and nice conversation, sir. And at last, I would like to know, as we were in high school, sometime I got the opportunity to at least to learn and to develop the interest towards the English. But you said that you didn't get that opportunity to learn English. Okay, so what suggestions would you like to give the students who are willing to learn English just like us?
Yes, sir. I will tell them that they should never be panicked if even they didn't learn English up to now, and they should just start today, because English is a language and it can be learned at any period of time. It doesn't matter you are child, you are adult, or you are old. Okay, it is just a language. It depends on your desire. If you have burning desire, sir, you can definitely learn English. Okay, so definitely. Age doesn't matter.
I completely agree with you. But sir, if a student has a burning desire to learn language, but sometimes he also gets some supports from the outside, because at least he might get some environment outside. If he doesn't get environment, he might get some good technology, at least a good mobile phone with he should be it should be affordable price for him. And he should get some good connection of internet. At least if he has a desire, definitely search for it. Okay, if he has a hungry, definitely he wants to fulfill it.
Yes, sir.
So such environment, such things to be be there with him to come across or to reach his goal, I think, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Today, I think environment, you can create environment by yourself and the help of technology, because it is not like before that if you are not getting opportunity, you will not speak English. Today, technology is the best source, and it is very easy to learn English with the help of technology, especially.
Yeah, definitely, sir. Anyhow, first of all, we must have the burning desire. We must have the hungry for the language, because it is our vision to be perfect. It is our vision to be completely having mastery over the language and complete fluency. We must be fluent in English because it is a borrowed. We must be fluent. Now it is a conversation. We can converse each other. But what about fluency? So we must start our journey. We must continue our journey to reach our fluency. So I would like to recall the quote of Columbus, Captain Columbus.
Yes, sir.
He says, if you have a vision, you must follow it alone.
Yeah, sir.
If you have a vision, we have a vision. We have a strong vision before us. We must strive and try to reach it with the help of all this technology, with the help of like-minded persons just like us, like-minded people. We should have such a good company to improve all from all over, to improve our language.
Yes, sir. So yes, sir, we talked a lot today. So of course, it is nice talking with you, sir.
Yeah, definitely. I also felt the same, sir. Same, sir. Definitely a nice talking to you. Thank you for your nice conversation with me. And
okay, sir.
Always be like this. And next time we'll come with a new subject. We'll take a new topic. Definitely we'll have a good conversation over here.
Okay, yes, sir. Of course. So bye-bye, sir. I will see you.